Want to make your Telegram group conversations more lively and instant? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to disable slow mode in your Telegram group, so your members can chat freely without those pesky time restrictions between messages. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly lift the slow mode limitation and make your group chats as fast and spontaneous as you want. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open up the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has admin permissions for the group, since only admins can change slow mode settings. Now, find the group chat where you want to disable slow mode. Just scroll through your chat list until you see it and tap to enter. If you're not sure which groups have slow mode turned on, look for groups where you or others are getting a "please wait" before sending another message warning. Once you're inside your group chat, you need to access the group info section. To do this, simply tap on the group's name or the header at the very top of your screen. It's usually where the group's profile picture and name appear, so don't worry if it looks a bit different depending on whether you're using Android, iPhone, or desktop. The idea is the same across all devices. By opening the group info page, you're essentially opening the group's control panel where you can adjust all kinds of settings. Next up, we need to enter edit mode. Look for the pencil icon, which stands for edit. It should be located in the top right corner of the group info page. Go ahead and tap that pencil icon. Now you'll see several tabs or options. This is where you can fine-tune everything about your group, from its name to its privacy and, most importantly, the permissions. Now tap on the permissions option. This is the place where you set what regular group members can and cannot do, things like sending messages, sharing media, and of course, the slow mode feature. Permissions are kind of like the house rules for your group, and as an admin, you get to decide how strictly or loosely people can communicate. Now here's the main event, disabling slow mode. In the permissions menu, you'll find the slow mode slider. It might be labeled with a specific time interval like 30 seconds, 1 minute, or something similar, indicating how long people have to wait between messages. To turn slow mode off, just drag the slider all the way to the left or set the time to 0 seconds. This tells Telegram that you don't want any delay between member messages. Think of it like removing the traffic lights from an intersection. Chat can now flow freely and instantly. Once you've made this adjustment, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a checkmark or a save button, which is usually at the top or bottom corner of the editing screen. Tap that to confirm everything. Telegram will immediately update your group's permissions and slow mode will be disabled. It's worth waiting for Telegram to process the update. This part might take a few moments, especially on slower connections, so don't worry if you don't see the change instantly. And there you have it. Your Telegram group is now free from slow mode restrictions, and everyone can chat in real time. If you ever want to re-enable slow mode in the future, just follow these same steps and set the interval to your desired number of seconds. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Got a question or want to share how slow mode has affected your group chats? Drop a comment below. I love hearing your stories and helping out when I can. And if you want more Telegram tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.